I just wanna chill and twist a lot. Catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't wanna see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, baby. Girl, it's easy to love me now.
If you are new here, I am CharniqG. So I'm super excited for this makeup tutorial because I finally got my hands on the new Juvias Place liquid blushes, y'all. If you've been watching my makeup tutorials, then you already know I use like lipstick as a blush. So I seen how Juvias Place had their new collection just came out. So I figured, why not give it a try? Let's see like what it's about. Now I've already tried the liquid blush out on my clients. I did not try it out on myself, so I'm really excited because I like the results that it gave when I tested it out on my clients. I'm still gonna do my whole entire face, of course, and then once I get to the blush part, I'm gonna talk on the camera for y'all, but the rest of this is going to be a voiceover, so yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this makeup tutorial. So starting with fresh, clean skin. My skin was already prepped prior to my skincare routine, so I'm going in and prepping it some more with all of my moisturizers and my primers. All of my products will be listed down below for you girlies, and I will list it in order. So make sure y'all check down below in my description box for all the details. Now for my foundation, I'm going in with my NARS. I love this foundation so much because a little goes a long way. As y'all can see, I barely put any foundation on my face. Just a little couple of dots here and there, and look at how evenly that product just spread it and blended on my skin, period. Like, it's literally giving butter, y'all, and I just love that so much. And this is why you should prep your skin before applying your makeup, because it's going to come out flawless and easy to blend out every single time. So once I'm done with my foundation, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Concealer. I'm going to be highlighting and contouring, so I'm just taking a little bit under my eyes, bridge of my nose, my chin, above my lip, and the middle of my forehead, and I'm going to blend that out. But before I blend that out, I'm going to go in with a darker shade, and I'm going to place that everywhere that I'm going to contour. So just the middle of my cheeks and then the crown of my forehead. And again, all products and the shades will be listed down below for you girlies. So I'm going to take the same brush that I used to blend out my foundation, and I'm going to use that to blend out my contour. Now I like to go in and blend out my contour first before blending out everywhere that I highlighted. So I'm just using light patting motions, and then I'm going to go in with a smaller setting blending brush, and I'm going to blend out my highlights.
That shawty been telling me everybody saw us do it our chemistry, but that we can move things real steadily. Telling me that you're all mine and you was ready to be, just to find out that you've been meddling with a new guy and you been settling. Really took off leaving me alone. At the order you gave me, I can't love no more. Really, how can you play me on? Need to do time for me, oh no. Put me to a tiny piece, she felony, oh, yeah, felony, oh. She can make crime with me, oh Lord. Need to do time for me, oh. That shawty been telling me everybody saw us do it our chemistry, but that we can move things real steadily. Telling me that you're all mine and you was ready to be, just to find out that you've been meddling with a new guy and you been settling. Really took off leaving me alone. At the order you gave me, I can't love no more. Really, how can you play me on no?
Okay, so I'm all highlighted and contoured. Let's get into this blush. So again, I have shade Peach Rose. It's a super pretty pinky color, y'all. So let's get into it. When I was using it on my clients, I learned that a little definitely goes a long way. You do not need a lot of it. I'm gonna try not to OD because I love blush. I think that's good. I think that much is good. I wish I had another color to demonstrate for y'all, but the girlies bought it all out the stove, so. Did I OD? I think I OD'd. But it's a way to fix that, so I'm taking this brush. Yeah, I told y'all a little goes a long way, but I know how to fix that. So I'm just gonna take my concealer again, blend that out. Yep, and we fix that right on up. Much better. So it's not too like harsh under the eye. Yeah, that looks better. I told y'all like a little goes a long way. She's pretty though, like, but yeah, a little of this goes a long way. So light pets. And this is before setting it with the powder, so I'm gonna go in and finish the rest of my face. My nose starting to run. I hate when that happens. So right here I am setting everywhere that I highlighted and pretty much setting the rest of my face. So I'm going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now I'm going to move on to my eyes. So I did finish my brows off camera and I decided to do eyeshadow. I was not going to do eyeshadow for this video, y'all, but I wanted to do eyeshadow. I wanted to do something different, something cute, something fun. So that's what we doing. So I'm taking like a brown shadow and I'm just going in and creating like this little cat eye shadow crease, angle eye type of vibe. I don't know. I was just going with the flow. So I'm going in with different shades of browns and just creating like that cat angle eyes type of look, super pretty. And then I did go in with the blush a little bit because I wanted to add some pink to my eyelid. So I went in with the blush and added that on top of the brown, creating like that angled look. Then I'm going to carve out my cut crease. I'm just taking a tad bit of concealer. I'm just dragging it, creating like that cut crease type of vibe. And then I went in and set it with some translucent powder. I didn't put no powder on top of this, like no eyeshadow, just translucent powder to set it. And then I went back in my crease area and kind of defined the crease more with like this darker brown chocolate eyeshadow color. And overall, the eye makeup just came out so bomb, girl. Like, it's such a pretty look, okay? Because I was not going to give y'all no eye makeup look. I was just going to keep it simple and call it a day. But I want to have some fun. So, yeah, right here, like I said, I'm defining my crease a little more because I want it to be super detailed and defined. And then I did go in with, like, some white eyeshadow for the tear duct area. And this look really came together, y'all. It came out so pretty. I just went in and just played around with different colors. I went in and added more of that pink from the blush palette. And I also wanted to create like this smoky brown liner, this wing type of vibe. Oh my gosh, it came out so pretty. Now I'm just coating my lashes to put on my false lashes. And look at how pretty the eye makeup came together with the lashes. Oh my gosh. Now these lashes, I don't remember where I got them from. They've been laying around for months. So I just picked up the first pair of lashes that I seen. Okay, so let's finish this face off. I'm taking the Volume 5 palette. So let's set our blush and let's see how this looks. It's so pretty already. How pink this one is. Ooh, that is pretty. And set it on there. That is really, really pretty. Okay. I guess I'm never going to be using lipstick again. Because what? This is really pretty, y'all. That's what I love the most about it. Like, it don't even take that much product. Y'all, this is really pretty. It's very pigmented and it does not take much at all. Like a little literally goes a long way with this stuff. Like if you still not using blush, what are you doing? What are you doing? Like if you're not using blush, what are you doing? Because it's 2023. Ugh, I'm so in love. Okay, I'm finna finish the rest of my face. So I'm dusting away all of the powder, and then I did go back under my eyes and added this white eyeliner to my waterline. It came out so pretty. It gave my eyes an extra pop. And then I added some highlight on my cheeks. I finished my lips, and y'all, this makeup look came out super pretty. Okay, girlies, this is the final look. I was not gonna do eyeshadow, but I decided why not. It came out so freaking cute. So let me know down in the comment section what y'all think of this look. I love how this came out. But I'm so obsessed with this powder. Like I'm so obsessed with the blush and the powder together. It's such a pretty bomb combo. So if you haven't already got it, go get that. Like go run. And I'm definitely gonna go back this weekend and try to get like some more shades or whatever, because y'all took all the shades like crazy. Like the girlies took all the shades. But I hope y'all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know down below in the comment section what y'all think. And yeah, if this ain't influenced y'all to go get it, I hope y'all go get it after watching this video. And thank y'all for watching. Love y'all so much. Don't forget to check down below in my description box for all of the product details and all that good stuff. If you made it all the way through, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Thank y'all for watching. Love y'all so much, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.